Welcome to Brain Vision.
We begin this question by calculating what is the average acceleration of that ball. The acceleration is equals to the variation in the velocity divided by the time that it took. Then we had a velocity of 2.1 and now we have a velocity of minus 2. So the variation in the velocity is equals to minus 2 minus 2.1, and the time it took was 3.3 times 10 to the minus 3. And this gives us minus 4.1 divided by 3.3 times 10 to the minus 3 meters per second squared of acceleration. Now, to calculate the net force that had been acting on the ball during this time interval, we can use Newton's second law, which says the following. The magnitude of the net force is equals to the mass of the ball times the acceleration. Then, the magnitude of the net force is equals to 0.38 times minus 4.1 divided by 3.3 times 10 to the minus 3. And this gives us a net force that is equals to minus 4.1 times 0.38 divided by 3.3 times 10 to the third. We had 10 to the minus 3 down here, so now we have 10 to the third up here. We can do that. We can send this term up here, given that we invert the sign of the exponent. And this gives us approximately minus 0.47 times 10 to the third, which is equals to minus 470 newtons.